Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing another unboxing. This unboxing is going to be from a brand called Kosas, and I've used a few products from them so far, and I was just added to their PR list, so I'm so excited to check out their other products they've sent. I have no idea what's in this box. We are going to find out. 100% agreed. This is the best loose setting powder they have ever tried. So this is going to be a loose setting powder review video. On their little pamphlet, looks like these are the 4 different shades that they have provided. Beautiful. I like the shade range. This is their, oh, so cute with the fluffies. These look like little balls like you could wear in your hair. Oh, so cute. I think they even have like a little tie on them. Oh, they totally do. That's so cute. Oh, you can put it in your hair if you want. You can put it probably on your purse or your bag for a little fluff ball. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna use these for like some type of little makeup look. I'm feeling like a little clown makeup. Oh, it's so cute. Kosas Cloud Set Loose Powder. I have used their Cloud Packed Powder and it was really nice and I really liked it. Cloud Set Loose Powder, translucent setting and blurring powder. An ultra translucent 12-hour setting powder that blurs, brightens, and sweeps away shine, not glow. Smooths pores and fine lines for an airbrushed look. Featherweight formula effortlessly layers for baking. Melts into the skin, never cakey, powdery, or drying. Bamboo stem extract helps reduce excess oil, talc-free, and non-comedogenic. So the reason I actually started using Kosas was because of their talc-free formulas. So a lot of times when talc is extracted, sometimes talc is by asbestos, and asbestos is extremely toxic for you in your lungs. And obviously when you're using powder, powder particles get in the air and then you're breathing it in. So that was the reason that I actually started gravitating towards this brand. Let's crack them open. So this is their Kosas Cloud Set Translucent Candy Rose Ultra Translucent Setting Powder. So on the top of this, it actually has a little like plate almost over it so that it'll pop up and then you can access your powder. I love that because a lot of times this is not here, and whenever you unlock this, when you open up the product, it'll be like covered in setting powder and it makes a mess. So this is really nice because it's going to keep a lot of that powder contained in there. Love that. I was gonna say it's usually just like marked with a sticker over top of it, and then the loose powder will be free flowing after that. So they did put a sticker in here. I would just say I'm more of a neutral skin tone color, and I like to use a rose translucent powder underneath my eyes because I feel like it really helps to neutralize the under eye color and brighten them. They provided a little powder puff too. That's really nice. I'm gonna give it like a shake after I already opened it because I want to see like how much product is gonna go inside of that little cap area, which honestly nothing did. That's really good. And then you could probably just like, you don't even have to close it all the way down. I'm just gonna give it like a nice little shake to bring some of the product up to the top, which is good. It like only brought up just like a little bit of product, not even a lot. And I'm just gonna do a swatch on the back of my hand. That is the rose pink one. Next shade is their translucent buttery Jean Ultra Transparent, and it looks like it is very buttery. It does have hints of yellow in it, so this one would be really nice for somebody who has a bit more of a warmer complexion. I just did like a couple layers of the swatch so that you can see the color of it, but this one is really nice. I can definitely see myself using this one too. These are big. Like, this is a lot of translucent powder. There is 20 grams in here. That is a lot of product. I wonder what these retail for. Going into our next shade, which is Peachy, and this is definitely going to be a very peachy shade. Last but not least, translucent Velvety Mocha. I could definitely see myself using this shade for an SFX makeup look. And there's all the swatches of the different loose setting powders. Really, really pretty. which setting powder would you wear? I am very curious. I have my base all done, and we are going to go into the Candy Rose Ultra Translucent Powder. I'm going to make sure that my under eyes has no creasing. I'm going to dip my powder puff, my Kosas. I'm going to dip my Kosas powder puff into this and give it a nice little mix so that it's evenly dispersed. And then I like to look up and just do a nice little powder. And then I don't know if you can tell the difference. This side and this side has like a slight pink shade to it. I'm gonna do the rest of my face with this one because I just wanna see what it'll look like. So we're experimenting today. We're gonna see what this shade will look like. Just do a few pats. Honestly, super close to my skin. It does leave like a little bit of a yellow hue to my skin, but I don't mind a little warmth every now and again. It is a very fine setting powder, I will say that. That's nice. I hope it doesn't have any flashback to it. That's my biggest concern. I think we should do a flash test right now. I'm not seeing any flashback from this. Usually I'm like, I can see that I didn't blend that. My photo, I don't know if you can tell in it. My face is already so pasty white. I'll have to upload the photo next to it or take a photo when I'm out. But yeah, no flashback. Good. Good. I have found other powders that I genuinely loved so much and then they flash back and you're like, close up for the makeup. The makeup application looks really beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. I do want to do like a little recording afterwards so you can see what my skin looks like with the Kosas a few hours so we can see how oily it makes my skin or not. So we shall see. Hi guys, I am back. It's about 8 hours later. It is midnight and we are here to do a little wear test. The makeup itself has actually worn really well today. I haven't applied any powder or anything since we last chatted, just exactly what was used in the video. So we'll do a little up close action so you can see what the makeup looks like close. Yeah, come on. Come on closer. Like I'm gonna share my secrets with you. So here is what the makeup is looking like. And it is really oily on my nose, but that is always to be expected. I could probably go in with some more setting powder just to dye down some of the oiliness. Sometimes if I really don't want my face to look oily and I'm already at an outing, I'll use like a paper towel and I'll just dab away the oil, and that usually helps pull the oil off and leaves the makeup looking still flawless. I appreciate you guys watching my videos and I love you forever. Mwah. Bye. I love their box that they sent. I'm totally going to put this into one of my drawers and use this as a drawer organizer. I always try my best to reduce and reuse as much stuff as I can.